Welcome to my lecture. Today we are going to solve one problem for Olympiad mathematics. Problem is, can you simplify square root of x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x 3 plus 1. And then using this, what will be the value of this square root? So let's start. So consider this expression without the square root, and then combine these two factors, and next these two factors. Rearrange them and multiply and simplify. So for that we are getting here the first two expression, it will become x square plus 3x, and second two will also become x square plus 3x plus 2. So now since x square plus 3x both are common, so we just take these two terms and simplify it. So this will become x square plus 3x whole square plus 2x square plus 3x plus 1, which is nothing but x square plus 3x plus 1 whole square. So when you take the square root now, then you will have, so we assume that the square root is positive or non-negative, then you will have this x square plus 3x plus 1. So now for this number 15, 16, 17, 18 plus 1, so you will see that this can be write as like this. If 15 is x, then 16x plus 1, 17x plus 2, 18x plus 3, and then plus 1. So we can apply the previous formula by taking x equal 15. So therefore you will get it here, 15 square plus 3 multiply 15 plus 1. So 225 plus 45 plus 1, 275.